Hi everyone. So like some of you, I have kids, and my kids at Christmas time like to do lots of Christmas activities, but everywhere is very, very busy. It's very difficult to get reservations anywhere. And frankly, Christmas can be fun, but also exhausting at times. So it's quite nice to be able to find things for the children to do whilst they're at home and still within that Christmas spirit. So I found some really easy things, and in fact I've made it even easier for you because it all comes from the same place. I walked into Bailey & Sage and grabbed, I've got 3 kids so I've done 3 of each, and grabbed 3 Christmas gingerbread making sets. They look incredible. They're DIY gingerbread house kits. They look very, very easy to make. The instructions, for some of you who might be like me and don't really want to read a pile of instructions, the instructions are in picture form at the back, so not too tricky. And then I've got Grandma Wild's gingerbread tree decorating kit. So when you really can't be bothered to even read the instructions, whether picture or not, these are great because frankly, nothing is simpler than just giving them some gingerbread trees to decorate. So that's the gingerbread trees. Again, I got 3 of them, 3 kids. And then, very excitingly, I saw this gingerbread train. Now, this looks, frankly, like it's going to take a little bit more work. But again, there are picture instructions on the back. It does look absolutely fabulous. It's quite weighty, so I imagine there's quite a lot of biscuit in there. And it looks like it might take them some time, which gives you, and hopefully me, a lot of time to relax and wind down at Christmas, which is supposed to be relaxing for all of us at some point. So those are my 3 picks, and really easily they come, all 3 of them from Bailey & Sage, so I'm not going to make you run around the shops getting loads of things from different places. But I would love to know what your thoughts are on gingerbread making in general, and whether or not you found really interesting crafts that your kids can do over the Christmas break that I might be able to get my hands on too. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.